What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am so excited for what we are going to do today. But first, everyone has been asking me, so I'm gonna give it away. I have accumulated over 238 million views for myself and my clients, just like these guys, and I'm giving away all my secrets step by step to exactly how I did it to the first 20 people who hit the link in the description. So if you want to make some money and go get some views, you know where to click. So today's a fun day, dropping off the Altima and picking up a car that I've actually been very curious about, the new Kia Telluride. First off, this key is dope. I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of thick, good materials. The unlock buttons are like on the side and like over here. It's like a very weird key. Like it's not normal, but like I kind of like it.
I like it because it's different.
But you know what I do like so far? This. I'm very excited to drive the new Telluride. But dude, check out the inside of this car. Tell me this isn't like, god damn. This is like a Genesis.
Holy shit.
This reminds me a lot of like the Genesis like GV90-ish.
Whoa!
What's
a lot of space back here. Look.
Oh, it's got captain's chairs.
Yeah.
That's cool. So we're gonna go take this to open road. We gotta go visit Uli and go do a couple of videos with him today. I gotta catch up on some content. So let's go take this to open road. And on the way there, let's do some first impressions. Cool, let's do it, boom. This is very similar to the EV6.
Yes.
Dude, this is the same one from like the Land Rover.
This looks really good.
What the that's quick.
Ooh.
Look how quick that is.
Damn.
Oh my God, my iPhone isn't even this quick. Oh, a 3D camera, bro.
Oh, nice.
Sick.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Nice.
Give me heat on the wheel. So like the person who's buying this car doesn't need the luxury car brand, right?
Yeah.
Like if you think like $50,000 in like BMW language or Mercedes language, that's like a GLE, that's like a X3 or maybe even like an X5.
Yeah.
And like to make those cars have all these options, you gotta spend more money, right? So this is like base model, like X5 GLE range type of deal, and you're getting a lot. So like it's for the person who wants all the bells and whistles, doesn't need the luxury emblem, doesn't need all that, but still wants a really nice car with a ton of practical, cool features. And I think they hit the nail right on the head with this car. And it looks awesome. Yeah. I'm sorry, I don't care who you are. This car looks good. Really good. Yeah. The first time I ever saw a Telluride on the road, I was like, damn, it's nice, man. If you just want a nice SUV, this is it. Not bad.
Oh, it's good. It's very good.
Once it gets into the power band,
It does what it needs to do.
Yeah.
It's great.
overall, so far, first impressions, really nice car.
Yes.
But let's continue driving it. We have a 40-minute drive to the dealership, so let's go.
All right.
Okay, so I have the self-driving on right now. Not bad, not bad at all. Oh my God, that's so sick. I wonder if the camera picks that up. You see the highway lines? What? That's so cool. It has yet to ask me to put my hands on the steering wheel. I would buy this car just for this. I have yet to test Super Cruise on the GM products, which I hear that is like the leader right now, them and Tesla. Honestly, this might be like the next best thing. I compare all these to like the Mercedes. This is way better than the Mercedes.
Wow.
Why? Keep hands on the steering wheel. Okay, so after a minute, it asked me to keep my hands on the wheel.
Yeah.
Longer than that. We turned on before we started recording.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy.
That's insane. At nighttime, that'll turn to light night, and if it's raining, that'll show like something with the rain. So on Sunday, when it snows or rains, I'm curious to see how this screen changes, because it's linked to the weather. All right, we just got to Mazda. We got Uli over here. And I don't know if you guys realize how nice Mazdas are. Like, dude, go look at that car real quick.
It's actually really nice.
Shopping for a new car? This right here is the Mazda 630, and for $30,000, this is basically luxury car. And memory seats. Oh, dude. And Bose sound system. All right.
Yeah, this is
We got this. We got this.
cool.
For 30 grand?
Nice.
This is, again, our conversation. Car manufacturers are just upping and upping and upping.
Yeah.
Like,
This is really great.
yeah. That's because you get a sunroof, heated leather seats with 2 memory options, leather on your dashboard, leather on your shifter, leather on your steering wheel, physical climate buttons, but that's not even the best part.
One go.
This car is packed with technology. You got a giant...
Let's go!
That's a lot of tech to remember, bro. This
Yeah,
car is loaded.
Bro, this thing is sick.
Manuel.
I might buy this.
No, you won't.
No.
I'd buy it. Maybe not. Yeah, probably not.
Here are 5 reasons why you should buy this Miata.
It's got a what?
Millennial anti-theft device, because millennials don't know how to drive stick. Number 2, when you're ready for some sunlight. Nah, I can do it better. Yeah!
3, you said top 5.
Ooh, okay, you want to change this to top 3?
Redo the intro.
I like how on like other days we're like doing like crazy features of like Mercedes, and on these days we're like, whoa, a rear view camera.
The guys at Volkswagen the other day, we came out and they were unwrapping the car and they go, "Are we doing your job?"
So, last time we were here, we didn't shoot this car.
Yeah.
No, we
so
are.
I'm studying the window sticker right now to familiarize myself with what to talk about, because there's a lot on this car.
Yeah, man, these cars are
By the way,
crazy.
we're at Cadillac, in case you didn't notice. We're no longer at Mazda. This is basically a 4-door Corvette. How much is this car? 106. That's not terrible.
It's a 4-door Z06.
That's not terrible, considering like a Corvette, like a well-equipped Corvette, is like over 100.
Like, dude, it's got beef.
659 foot-pounds of torque.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's rear-wheel drive.
Yeah, the rear wheel. It's just a 4-door Corvette. Yeah, man. They're
Yeah,
sick.
but this, how much did I just say?
668. Doesn't the new Z06 have?
Yeah, but it's not.
670?
It's a different engine. So no.
Yeah, exactly.
So a C7 Z06 was 650, 650.
Okay. So this
This has more power
Yeah.
than a Corvette Z06 C7.
Yeah.
Because the
But it only has 2 horsepower
the C8,
less.
C8 is how
The
much?
C8's like 670.
How much horsepower does a 2024 Corvette Z06 have? 670.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro.
So they squeezed more horsepower out of the new Corvette without the supercharger, just by having flat plane crank.
It's the highest horsepower naturally aspirated V8 fitted to an American car, or any production car, actually.
GM, if you're watching this, I know we have a meeting this week. I need the Z06. So if you're looking for the ultimate sleeper, this right here is the 4-door Cadillac. No.
Oh,
Carbon on your dash, touchscreen, heads-up display, digital display, Alcantara steering wheel. It'd be funny if all 3 of us were back there. Plus, these red seatbelts hold 5 of your best friends in place. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's put like a tripod right here.
That was painfully slow.
That was so slow. That was floored.
oh my god.
I have accumulated over 238 million views for myself and my clients, just like these guys, and I'm giving away all my secrets, step by step, to exactly how I did it, to the first 20 people who hit the link in the description. So if you want to make some money and go get some views, you know where to click.